1,400 years ago, nobody knew that animals communicate and live in colonies. Social colonies. Eusocial insects like ants and honey bees are multicellular animals that live in colonies with a highly organized social structure. Colonies of some social insects may be deemed superorganisms. Animals, such as humans and rodents, form breeding or nesting colonies, potentially for more successful mating and to better protect offspring. Animals live in communities and have their own languages. This was known recently, however, this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran. There is no land animal nor a bird that flies with wings who are not nations like you. We didn't miss a thing in the book, then to their Lord they will be gathered. Animals are nations just like humans are nations. Today we know that animals live in social colonies. The Christian Bible erroneously claims that there are four-legged insects, Leviticus 11 verse 20. It also claims that there is an animal that has flames stream from its mouth, sparks of fire shoot out, smoke pours from its nostrils as from a boiling pot over burning reeds. Its breath sets coals ablaze, and flames dart from its mouth. Humans have decoded the language of some birds. How to decode the secret language of birds? For centuries, Native Americans have relied on so-called bird language to learn the whereabouts of people and other animals that would otherwise remain invisible to the human eye. A lot of indigenous people have been using bird language to know where megapredators are, says Pinar Atesh Sinopoulos Lloyd, co-founder of Queer Nature, who leads courses on bird language. They are able to decipher how birds communicate and warn each other in the forest. Birds have their own languages. This was known recently, however, this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. The Quran says that birds have their own languages. Quran. And Solomon succeeded David. He said, "O people, we were taught the language of birds, and we were given from everything. This is indeed a real blessing." Solomon learned the language of birds. The Quran also says that all animals glorify Allah, but we cannot comprehend their languages. Quran. The seven heavens and the earth and everyone in them glorify Him, Allah, and there is nothing that doesn't glorify Him, thankfully. But you, humans, do not understand their glorification. He is compassionate, merciful.